Hi! Heard about the new ERP 2.0? All vehicles in Singapore will need to be equipped with a new onboard unit, or OBU. The new OBU is free, and arranging installation is easy. Here's what you need to do. First, look out for your notification. It will arrive by letter, email, or SMS. Your OBU is free as long as it's installed before the date stated on your letter, so please look out for it. To book your installation appointment, just scan the QR code or visit go.gov.sg/book-OBU and key in your vehicle plate number. You'll be shown a pre-filtered list of available workshops for your vehicle model. Select a workshop, then contact them directly via WhatsApp or a phone call to book your installation appointment. You can also arrange installation before you receive your letter. Just go straight to the website. It's as easy as that. Now, you're ready to get your OBU installed. Do make sure you arrive at the workshop on time for the technician to install the OBU for your vehicle. Visit the website today to find a suitable workshop to install your OBU.